December 13th, 2021. A public lounge. Officers respond to a woman found on the premises. For the second time, a repeat trespass. The stop is legally grounded. The Supreme Court in Terry v. Ohio established that a prior documented trespass at the same location is sufficient, reasonable, articulable suspicion. That threshold is met. The identification demand is where this encounter fractures. The Supreme Court in Hiibel v. 6th Judicial District permits states to compel a detainee's name, but only where a stop and identify statute exists. The jurisdiction here is unconfirmed. If no such statute applies, the subject had no legal obligation to speak. The officer never clarified that authority on camera.
Yes, sir. And 602 dispatch will be 1012. Hello. Dallas, the police department.
That's good.
Hey, you got your ID on you?
Not.
Is it in that purse by chance?
It's not.
It is not?
No, it is not.
What's your first name?
I'm not here to give out any identities.
What's your first name?
I'm not here to give out any identities, sir.
Okay, you were talking just fine. Let's talk normal. What's your first name?
Oh my goodness. Oh, I'm here to go. I'm sorry.
No, you're going to tell us your first name.
No, I'm not, sir. I'm sorry.
We can do this easy way, hard way. It's up to you.
That's what I feel.
We're trying to find out who
What
you
is
are.
your first name, my lady?
We're trying to make sure you're safe and find out who you are real quick, okay? If you don't have any warrants or anything like that, then we're good. But I need to get your first name and all that information, okay?
I just woke up in a deep sleep.
I got
so I'm
you.
just not interested in doing that.
Understandable, but this ain't a bedroom.
Oh, okay. I'm going to walk to my bedroom.
Where's your bedroom?
I'm not interested in telling anybody right now. I just woke up from my sleep.
Uh-huh.
What's your first name?
I'm not here to give out any names.
What's that?
I'm not here to give out any names, sir. I'm so sorry.
Well, you're not free to leave right now.
Okay, okay.
So let's begin with your first name because are you familiar with what resisting is? If you don't give me your information, that is what we call resisting.
Yes, sir.
So what is your first name, young lady?
I don't have one.
Open up your purse and give me your ID.
I don't have one. I don't have one, sir.
You don't have one?
No, I actually have to get my ID back today.
From where?
My girlfriend's house, allegedly.
Okay, then give my officer your first name.
No, thank you.
Huh? No, give him it now. Or we're gonna go in cuffs and we're gonna walk downstairs and I'll find out who you are later.
Once physical resistance begins, the Supreme Court's decision in Graham v. Connor governs. 3 factors: severity of the crime, misdemeanor trespass, low; threat to safety, no weapon, low; active resistance, kicking, scratching, high. 2 of 3 factors weigh against intensive force. The balance is narrow. The extended prone restraint is the most legally exposed element. The 10th Circuit in Cruz v. City of Laramie established that restraint duration must be proportionate to threat level. A sustained floor hold on a nonviolent misdemeanor, suspect no weapon, no flight, is a direct path to civil liability under federal civil rights law. The restroom denial carries 14th Amendment implications. The Supreme Court in Estelle v. Gamble held that deliberate indifference to a detainee's physiological need without security justification approaches a duty of care violation. Denying that request also escalated the subject's agitation, prolonging the struggle unnecessarily.
You said she's been trespassed before by officers and everything? You got the case number?
Yes, sir. I was just contacting my supervisor, and it looks like her too.
Okay. 602 dispatch.
Okay, no thank you, sir.
Say what?
Okay, no thank you, sir. I had the skateboarding on and I fell asleep. I apologize.
Okay.
Now they're watching racing.
We're just trying to help you make sure you're okay.
Can you please move out the way?
Huh?
Can you please not stand over me like that?
I'm not trying to intimidate you or anything, but if you live here, why are you sleeping up here on the couch?
I said I was watching skateboarding and now
Oh,
they're
you're watching.
racing.
You're
I
watching
fell asleep
something.
in the middle
Oh,
of it.
okay.
Oh, this does not feel good. I gotta use the restroom.
Not yet.
I really do have to use
I
the
know.
restroom.
Not right now.
Okay, well, I'm going.
No, dude, no, stop.
Please don't touch me.
Go sit back over there.
Please
Go
don't touch
sit over
me.
here. Go sit back over there.
Please don't touch
Go
me.
sit back over there. You're not free to go. Stop.
Please don't touch me.
Go sit back over there.
Please don't touch me.
Go sit back over there. Stop. You're not free to go.
You're not free to touch me.
Yes, I am.
Am I being
Go-
detained?
Yes, you are
For
detained.
what?
You are detained.
For what?
For an investigation. Go sit down.
What type of investigation?
I'm not gonna take you. Sit
Let
down.
go of me.
Sit down.
Let go of me.
Sit down.
Seriously, let go of me.
Sit down.
Seriously?
If you don't
Let
sit
go
down,
of
we'll
me.
put you in cuffs.
Seriously, let go of me.
Turn around. Turn around. Stop. Stop. Stop.
Yeah.
Stop resisting. Stop.
Seriously, let go of me.
No.
I got you.
Okay, why?
Well,
What did I do?
will do.
Just
All right,
ask to use the
bye.
restroom? I have to put the restraining order on you.
Sorry. Good, just give, yeah.
Yep.
Here. Put her on the room instead of cutting her on this. Lady, would you stop?
On the charges filed, trespass legally solid, prior notice documented, second entry confirmed, battery on a law enforcement officer supported by body cam audio of kicking and scratching during arrest, resisting with violence defensible only if the underlying arrest was lawful. That lawfulness hinges entirely on the unresolved stop and identify question.
Seriously?
Can we catch real quick?
I just have to pee. Can I please pee?
You just kicked me?
Can I pee? I'm wondering how many good stuff. I'm scared if I can use the restroom. Sir, will you walk me to the restroom?
You're under
That's
arrest.
definitely not happening.
So she doesn't try to slip them.
Stop
Now you're
kicking
going
me.
to jail for
Stop
freaking
kicking
battery
me.
on LEO.
Double up in here.
That's that way.
Let go of me!
Stop. Stop.
You're hurting my knees so bad.
Now stop kicking and stop squirming.
I just want to use the restroom.
755 dispatch. We at 11015. Stop kicking.
So use the restroom.
You will when you get to go to jail.
Please stop. Please. Get your hands off my ass. Please get your hands off of my ass. Please!
Hey, sorry.
Can
If
you
you
get
got
your
a
hands off my
hobble,
ass?
or if somebody else wants to come here with a hobble, she's like kicking us and everything too.
Please get your hands off of my ass. Please. Please. Stop. Please just let me use the restroom. That's all I ask. Holy shit.
Stop kicking, okay?
I just want to use the restroom. That's all I'm asking. What is wrong? What did I do?
Well, you're under arrest for trespassing. You're under arrest for battery on LEO now. We're gonna just have you write a statement too about the previous incident, and then was that?
Let me use the restroom.
Yeah, I
Let me
appreciate
use the
it.
restroom. Seriously.
Yes, sir. No worries.
Please let me use the restroom.
Yeah, no worries, sir. We appreciate it.
Please stop.
Stop.
Just we'll just.
Can you get off of me?
No,
Why?
because you're kicking us. And
Because you're on me.
Because you're resisting us.
No, I'm asking if I can do something. Will you walk me?
No,
I'm not resisting.
you are resisting.
What?
Why am I going to trust you now when you didn't do what we asked the first time?
What did you ask?
To stop kicking us. And what do you do? Keep kicking us.
You're pathetic.
I asked you to
Okay.
sit down. You wouldn't sit
Get off
down.
of me. Get off of me!
Relax.
Get off of me!
Stop. Stop.
Get off of me!
Stop hitting your head.
Restroom.
Stop hitting your head into
Get
things.
off of me! You're hurting me so badly! Get off of me! Please get off of me! Please let go of me!
Stop hitting her head against the gate.
Oh, please, oh, get off of me.
She just scratched me too.
Get off of me, pathetic piece of shit. Just let me use the restroom. Oh, please stop. Please stop.
Yeah.
Why are you doing this? All I said was I didn't want to sit down. I wanted to use the restroom. It's literally it. Can I use the restroom? Get off of my back! Hey,
Stop hitting your head against the
get
ground.
off of my back!
Yeah, we'll pick her up.
Get off of my back!
Sorry, I can't do that right now.
Yes,
Y'all
you
have
can.
to take her down? Yeah. Can you grab
Stop hitting your head against the floor.
Get off of my back.
Yeah.
I got it.
Somebody's trying to get
I'll put it here.
whatever that is. Shit.
Oh, you're hurting me so bad.
Alright, my hands are on your back, you see?
Please let me use the restroom.
Just stop, miss.
Please stop. Ew, ew. Oh my God. Get him off of me.
Yeah.
Yeah. How you want to do
Make
it?
sure you grab her by underneath her, by her shoulders, underneath him.
You're not
Do
biting
not
me.
try to bite him.
This?
No, you're under arrest.
This?
For what?
Like,
For what?
go underneath her. Yeah,
What am I under arrest for is what I'm asking.
on this one?
For
Underneath her
what?
shoulder.
For where?
Like this, okay.
What am I trespassing?
Underneath here. Okay. He's gonna get in the legs. Yeah.
So gross.
You get that, son?
Yeah.
Why are you doing this?
Because you can't behave, right?
All I asked is to go to the restroom. You guys are the most disgusting.
Yeah.
You're hurting my ankles. Can I please walk?
Sorry.
Why are you arresting me like this? It hurts. What did I do?
You have a flashlight, dude?
Yeah, he's got the flashlight.
Cool.
I'm freaking hate it here. Can you treat me differently? Do you have any idea what you're doing to my body?
Here, go down the
Can
knee.
you please carry me differently?
Can you walk like a...
Yeah, I can walk if he doesn't put me in
Okay,
a
no. You
stomach.
keep spitting, you're not going to get a chance. You understand?
Don't spit on him. Stop.
It's on my knees.
You got a mask for her down there?
Please stop.
Set her up first and then just let her come.
Okay. Put your feet down. Put your feet down. There you go.
Come on. There we go, there we go, there we go. Here, shut just a little bit.
Lead Officer C+, stop, lawful, arrest decision, defensible, failures, no articulation of detention authority, no explanation of identification law, prone restraint, disproportionate to offense severity, right call, poor execution, secondary officers, B-, appropriate support under difficult conditions, deducted for unprofessional language on camera, and the unresolved allegation of improper physical contact both admissible in civil proceedings. Subject D. Initial skepticism of identification demand had legal merit, but kicking, scratching, and alleged spitting on officers eliminated every defensible position she held. Each charge beyond trespass is a direct product of that resistance. Rights are won in courtrooms, not on the floor. Lessons. Officers, name your legal authority, early statute, case, or both. Silence on that point is a liability in court and an accelerant in the field. Extended prone restraint on minor offenses requires documented justification every time. Citizens. Physical resistance during detention, lawful or not, converts a civil remedy into criminal exposure. The Fourth Amendment has enforcement mechanisms. They work, the floor does not. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to cover in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and check out Street Bodycam for more police interaction and courtroom content.